All right, in this video, I want to get into the different levels of investing and the different categories. So let me define the categories. And a lot of times when I wrote my books, I use a motif, I use a theme such as gardening. You have different kinds of flowers. You have perennials, annuals, you have flowers that'll last for 3 years, 6 years, some that have flowers, some that don't have flowers, some are trees like oak trees that take 20, 30 years to grow. So your investment strategy, your assets, your investment stocks you purchase may mimic the same thing as a garden. So let's talk about the categories, several categories. One is an investor, one is a trader, one is a gambler. Those are the three categories I define for my investment thesis. When I buy Tesla, Apple, even Walmart, I believe they're going to be here for a long time. I'm investing in those companies for the long term, for the dividend. AT&T, I invest for the dividend. I don't plan to sell. Well, I invested in Kodak. I invested in a company called SESN. SESN has it's a biotech, and this is for entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, but I bought that stock when it was a penny, let's say 50 cents. If it gets to $5, I'm done. I'm selling it. I'm done. So I'm trading. I'm trading with SESN. Bought Kodak, was $2, went up a lot. I sold it. It hit my number that I wanted. I traded. Now when I trade, I'm prepared to pay capital gains, taxes, all that stuff, because I don't want, it's not part of my garden. It's part of my garden temporarily. My financial garden, that is. I like that title, financial garden. But I bought this stock. Once again, no financial information. It's a penny stock. It's less than a penny, 0.0001 BLSP. I'm gambling. I put 100 on there, got a whole bunch of shares. That's strictly gamble. I didn't do my due diligence, which is I didn't do my research. I did enough research to say, okay, if I lose 100, not that I want to lose 100, I was going to spend 100. I didn't spend the 100, so I put it on the stock. So once again, the three levels are investor, trader, and in my world, gambling. When I buy a stock, I don't do a lot of, it's very, very risky. I didn't do a lot of research on it, which is called due diligence. When I do an investment, I do a lot of research. Let's say 10 hours of research on an investment, 5 hours on a trade, an hour when I'm gambling. I hope this made some sense. Thank you.